CreativeLive Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this CreativeLive Review. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and direct access to the platform. CreativeLive is an online learning platform designed for creatives, entrepreneurs, and professionals who want to enhance their skills in areas like photography, design, business, and personal development. It stands out by offering live and on-demand classes led by industry experts, making it a popular choice for those seeking inspiration and actionable knowledge. One of CreativeLive's most notable features is its live streaming model. Classes are often broadcast live for free, allowing you to learn in real time without upfront costs. This approach is perfect for individuals who prefer interactive sessions and want to try before they buy. If you miss a live class or want ongoing access, CreativeLive offers on-demand purchases or a subscription to their Creator Pass, which unlocks a vast library of courses. The quality of instruction on CreativeLive is top-notch. Courses are taught by seasoned professionals and experts like renowned photographers, best-selling authors, and successful entrepreneurs. These instructors don't just teach theory, they share practical insights, techniques, and real-world applications that are invaluable for learners looking to apply skills immediately. CreativeLive's course variety is another standout. Whether you're looking to improve your Photoshop skills, learn video production, master public speaking, or refine your branding strategies, there's a course for you. The platform also caters to varying skill levels, making it accessible for beginners and seasoned professionals alike. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to browse and enroll in classes. You can access courses on desktop or mobile, providing flexibility for learning on the go. Another great feature is the inclusion of community interactions, such as live Q&A sessions with instructors, which enhance the learning experience. In summary, CreativeLive is an excellent platform for anyone in creative industries or those looking to sharpen their entrepreneurial skills. Its combination of expert instruction, live and on-demand options, and extensive course library makes it a valuable resource. If you're ready to invest in yourself, check out the links in the description to get started.